A British wartime hero, the Albion FT11 3-ton 4x4, and to be honest, I think it was quite a good looking lorry. The development of the FT11 gave Albion a model to suit requirements for a four-wheel drive 3-ton truck. Production began in May 1942, before being terminated in August 1944. By then, several hundred had been supplied to the British Army. Only two production models were produced, the General Service and the Workshop. It was not unknown for field modifications to be carried out for other purposes, but to date no photographic evidence has come to light to substantiate this theory. The 3-ton 4x4 featured a coach-built cab with a removable top for shipping purposes. It was powered by a 6-cylinder EN 280 4.57 litre petrol engine driving through a 4-speed gearbox and 2-speed relay box. To prevent axle wind between front and rear whilst in four-wheel drive, a third differential was installed that could be locked when required. The 31-gallon fuel tank provided a range of 240 miles at a maximum speed of 38 miles per hour. And to be honest, that's actually quite fast for a lorry of its day. That is only 2 miles an hour slower than the Bedford OYD's top speed of 40 miles an hour. Only a few were still in service after the war, and some were passed on to war-ravaged countries in Europe or sold off at surplus auctions soon after the war ended. I believe the last mass sale of World War II lorries was in 1960. There is evidence of a few machinery trucks lasting a little longer, and these images were dated 1948. Variants: General Service, Workshop Machinery, and Workshop Tyre Repair. Specifications: engine EN 280 6-cylinder producing maximum 96 bhp at 2,900 revs per minute. Gearbox 4-speed, forward 1 reverse transfer case. Suspension front and rear semi-elliptical with hydraulic shock absorbers. Axles worm drive ratio 9.33 to 1. Brakes foot servo assisted hydraulic vacuum to all wheels, hand mechanical on rear wheels only. Tyres 12x20 singles all round, turning circle 55 feet, fuel capacity 31 gallons giving 240 mile radius at maximum speed of 38 miles per hour. Dimensions: length 20 feet 8 inches, width 7 feet 9 inches, height 10 feet 2 inches. Weight unladen 4 tons or 16 cwt.